this was happening. Cortana is no longer an asset, Captain. She is a danger. She has access to the Forerunner domain, a galaxy-spanning network
Cortana's
that
alive?
allows her to control whatever devices caused this damage.
How is she?
Master Chief believes she contacted him.
No, John must not speak to her.
He's gone in search of her.
You let him go?
How is it
Nobody lets the chief do anything. He does what he wants.
Until 0631 this morning, when he was declared absent without leave.
This isn't about the Master
John
Chief.
is not equipped emotionally to deal with her as a threat.
Hey! Is anyone gonna answer me?
You're out of line, Roland.
Yes, sir, but so is everyone else. You created Cortana, Doc, and now you're throwing her out the airlock with these accusations.
Roland!
You think she tricked the Master Chief into abandoning his post? Respectfully, sir, to what end? Why is Cortana the problem? Because she refused to die when she was supposed to?
You're okay with this? Not just another target, you know.
Every target is just another target, Buck.
Yeah. For you, maybe. I love being an ODST. Just point and shoot. None of this gray area BS. I mean, how are we even supposed to bring them in? Ask politely?
No.
The hell?
Armor restraint. Short-circuit their suit systems.
The lock. Every other Spartan, every soldier, when they hear about this, they're gonna hate us. You know that, right?
You're not the only one here because of him.
Blasted this planet in 48. It was a UNSC colony then, but we never came back. Run by a private corp now, chipping away the glass, making her livable.
Why are we taking the long way down?
Because it's polite. Grew up on an indie colony like Meridian. Folks out here don't take well to the UNSC landing in the middle of town. Tend to see it as an act of aggression.
Speaking of acts of aggression...
Those are Forerunner ships. What the hell are Forerunners doing here?
Maybe we're not the only ones here for the Master Chief.
Whoever the hell is on my elevator, identify yourself.
This is Spartan Jameson Locke, UNSC.
A lot of you.
To whom am I speaking?
This is Governor Sloan, and you...
The governor didn't seem to want our help.
Well, he's gonna get it anyway.
Meridian service. Prepare to disembark.
Spartans? What the hell are Spartans doing here?
What's going on?
Meridian Station's under attack. Sloan's trying to put up a fight, but I got family up there. They ain't armed.
Osiris, the people of Meridian Station need our assistance.
What the hell are those things? Does anyone know about Meridian Station?
Do not panic. Station under attack. Security protocols engaged.
We've got problems. Turret systems are offline.
I can't seem to do anything from here. Looks
Looks like a problem in the lockdown procedures. Try a local reset.
Governor Sloan! Come in, Governor! We're under attack! It's not Covenant, it's not UNSC. I don't know what they are, but we need help now! Station under attack. Security protocols engaged.
Meridian Control, we need you to open the doors to the space elevator.
But it's overrun!
Open the doors so we can help.
Damn it, Kyle! Do it! Fine, go!
Case is on lockdown. No way out.
There must be a way to shut down the security system.
Yeah, eliminate the threat, then lockdown ends.
All good people of Meridian, you are hereby ordered to take up arms and defend your home from the aggressors.
Elevator control. Get those automated turrets online.
We're trying, Governor! Security tower door's jammed!
Automated turrets? Those could be useful.
Good strike. Better run, soldier. I'm coming for you.
Crawler's dead. Don't push it, Dale.
There's a clear shot to a generator from up here.
Take the shot. It'll drop power to the gate.
Found a heavy weapons cache.
Why do civilians have heavy weapons? Save the discussion of frontier politics until after the fight.
Don't miss this time.
Knight Commander just showed up with a fresh pack of Prometheans. Looks like we're all clear. Spartans. Was that your doing?
We just helped, Governor. Your people did a lot.
This road will lead straight to Meridian Station.
Gates are open.
Guns in my capable hands.
bridge is sealed, but we're under heavy assault.
What do we do? Make damn sure they don't get through to town.
Governor, if you open the bridge, Osiris can help Meridian Station.
I let you through, those monsters will follow. No way. If you want to help, then secure that bridge. I'll be damned. Propaganda about Spartans doesn't lie. Listen, across the bridge, closer to town, there's others that could use your help.
We can do that, sir.
All right, opening up.
Soldiers, stop moving! We're taking damage! I might be done riding shotgun with you.
The soldiers can drive?
Governor Sloan, this is Billy at the garage. We're pinned down.
Spartans, my people in the service garage could sure use your help. And, well, they might just have a scorpion in there.
They have a tank. Why do they have a tank? Gift horses, Vale.
Over down! Took him out! Gun him down! Damn it!
Well done, Spartans. Head over to the garage. I'll have Billy open up.
Spartans?
Billy, they're gonna need to borrow your toy.
What?
They'll get more use out of it than you will.
Why did they have a scorpion? This is UNSC gear.
Corporate security. Private security for a frontier colony isn't unusual. Surprising to see something this heavy, though.
Gotcha!
Area's clear. Meridian Station's just up the hill.
They could still be out there. It's clear for my lockers.
Cores are exposed!
Spartans, you're close to Meridian Station now. If you could clear out the land between where you are and town.
Of course, Governor.
Wow, pretty quick turnaround from get off my planet to, hey, can you help?
At least he's talking to us. That's a start.
Eyes on a soldier in range. Soldier's done moving. Work with that cannon.
step, Spartans. Thought you were keeping them away from us.
Osiris, clear the area so they can open the gates.
Is that good? Are we all clear? Here they come!
Easy, Spartan! This scorpion is friendly! See that big soldier there? One down!
How'd you learn to shoot like that?
Anyone else feel like it's getting a little too quiet?
Let's take this for that, Mark. Please tell me it's over.
That's a kill! Scorpion's under fire! This scorpion is friendly! Got one!
Taking damage. It's always good, Mark. Got a sight on it. Another real big one. Looks clear for my mongoose. Oh, that was the last of them.
Well, looks like you've done it. Never thought I'd thank the UNSC for a damn thing, but I do thank you, Spartans. Come on inside.
So, how many engineers did it take to build treads this old?
I'm off the mongoose. Out of the scorpion.